Hi, I'm Akshay, and let me tell you my journey with Galaxy Dental Clinic, Pimples, Odagar, Pune. I had visited the clinic for an emergency wherein my front tooth was broken and it needed immediate treatment. Let me also provide a background to this. Like most of us, I was afraid and reluctant to visit the dentist for regular checkups. Along with this fear, I was also neglecting my dental hygiene. Now, this resulted in a multiple complex issues like dead tooth or tooth decay. So, when I called up the clinic for the first time and explained the issue to Dr. Rohini, she was very kind enough to schedule an immediate appointment. I gave her the brief history about me and my dental hygiene, and she was very quick to start with initial checkup and assess my current situation. After the initial checkup, Dr. Rohini very patiently and clearly explained me her initial assessment in a very simple way so that even a common man like me could understand it. She explained the possible line of treatment and along with the alternatives that could be explored. Now, although it was an unscheduled visit, she explained everything in detail to me and answered all my queries. She also scheduled me for an X-ray on the same day and scheduled one more appointment in the evening to explain the X-ray, to discuss the final plan of treatment as per the X-ray, to provide the approximate cost. She also discussed the types of crown that they had available and the timeline that would be needed to reach a permanent solution. On the very same day, she also helped me to fix my or to provide a temporary solution to my front broken tooth so that I could carry on my day-to-day activities until we had reached a permanent solution. Now, we started the treatment on the very next day. The treatment included a few root canal treatments and some tooth extractions. The root canals were performed with utmost precision and with state-of-the-art equipment. The root canals performed the root canals were performed in a single seating and they were absolutely painless. Most of us fear the root canals, but trust me, it was not at all painful during the actual process, and neither was it after the process. So I did not feel any pain on the following days. Each step of the root canal was also meticulously monitored with multiple X-rays. Now, the tooth extraction, which sounds even more scary, was not at all the way I had imagined. Dr. Komal was very proficient, and while extracting the tooth, the patient's comfort was her topmost priority. She constantly made sure that I was not feeling any pain or discomfort while pulling out the tooth. The equipment and the technique used to pull out the bad tooth was top notch. Dr. Komal also gave a detailed verbal as well as written instruction of the do's and don'ts that are to be followed after the procedure. Similar to the root canal treatment, I did not feel any pain or discomfort after the procedure. Now, once all this was done, it was time to fix the permanent crowns, right? As explained by Dr. Rohini, I was provided with all the possible options for the crowns that she had. All the options provided her were the best in class and affordable as well. You can easily choose as per your own preference. Now, the technique used to take the impressions of the teeth was again very sophisticated, which was virtually error-free. It means that the impressions or the scans taken will be extremely accurate so that they fix on your tooth perfectly. My crowns fit me perfectly as well, and trust me, it gave me a feeling of natural teeth. The quality of the finishing was extremely perfect. Dr. Rohini also made sure that the crown fit me perfectly and did not compromise even on the minutest of imperfections. Now, coming to the cost part of the entire treatment, since I had multiple underlying issues with my teeth, my treatment was kind of complex and included multiple procedures. In spite of this entire complexity, the entire treatment was done at a reasonable cost, and the doctors did not compromise on the quality. They have done a fabulous job. To summarize at the end, I would say that I'm not afraid of visiting the dentist anymore, and neither should you. Okay, so get your checkups done regularly. Do not neglect your dental hygiene, and visit the dentist if you have any issues. In the end, I would also like to thank the entire staff of Galaxy Dental Clinic, like Dr. Rohini, who gave me the best suggestions for the line of treatment as well as the entire experience. It was top notch. And I will also like to thank Dr. Komal, who is extremely skilled and extremely efficient in what she does. Trust me, I did not feel any discomfort or any pain which we expect during dental treatment. Dr. Komal was perfect. I would also like to thank Miss Poonam, who made sure that I did not have any discomfort after the procedure. She did regular follow-ups with me after the day of procedure to check whether I'm feeling any pain or I'm in any discomfort. In the end, I would definitely like to recommend Galaxy Dental Clinic to everyone who is looking for the best dental treatment in Pune. Thank you.